Hi everyone, my name is Stephen Timothy Andrew, and at this time I'm gonna try to a presentation about the Materi 12, and it's called Operating System Managing, Coordinating, and Monitoring Resource. At first, we're gonna introducing an operating system in a system, software that manage hardware and software resource and act as a daemon for the computer program. Example of the operation system is like a Windows that is like a common BIOS, common system that we use on our laptop. Like, if you're using order from the Mac OS, we're gonna get the Windows system. But if you're using the Mac OS from the Apple brand, we're gonna be using the Mac OS. So some example is like a Windows, Android, Mac OS, iOS if you're using an Apple phones, and Linux. And probably if you're talking about Linux, it's kind of difference with others operating system like Windows and Mac OS. Linux is like he standing by herself, being for operating system. The next part we're gonna talk about operating system function. The function of the operating system from the OS is that it's to act as an intermediary between the user and the hardware. Manage all computer users using the CPU, memory, storage, and I/O. Run application and provides security and user interface from the GUI and CLI, so that the computer can be operated efficiently and effectively. Manage multitasking and protect data from the illegal access. And then we're gonna talk about the operating system function. Some of the point from the operating system function is like this function include starting computer and mobile device, shutting down computer and mobile device, providing a user interface, managing programs and managing memories, coordinating text and configuring device. Operating system function, we're talking about like monitoring performance, updating operating system software, providing file, disks, and system management tools, controlling a network. Like if we talking about the device that we're using, like laptop or mobile device, we're probably gonna use an internet so much. So it's like if you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data, you need to better operating system. So if it cannot controlling our internet device, so yeah, without the operating system, we're not gonna we cannot using internet probably. And then we're talking and then administering security. Type of operating system. The following are the most commonly used type of operating system, such as desktop operating system, server operating system, mobile operating system. And then we're going to talk about desktop operating system. A desktop operating system is a software designed to manage the resource of a personal computer, such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. And then talking about server operating system, a server operating system is an OS used on the server computer, namely computer that serve many users simultaneously. And mobile operating system. A mobile operating system is the software that runs smartphone, tablet, and other portable device, providing an interface between hardware and software and managing basic functions such as calls, messaging, and internet connectively. So the summary: operating system is pretty important from all devices that using internet or storage or something, because without this operating system we cannot using our device professionally or commonly, because operating system is the most important part from our device technology. So without the operating system, there is no such thing as the technology device. So thank you for listening my presentation. Thank you.